Overview of the desktop. The desktop. Remember that on Windows 8 we had two different modes. We had the Windows mode and the desktop mode. Okay, so when we open one application from one mode or the other, it's just gonna display a little bit different on the screen. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a little overview of the desktop. Okay, now to access my desktop, I'm just gonna bring my pointer into that icon desktop. One click and right here, I'm on the desktop. Okay, now the desktop in Windows 8 has many features that you will be familiar if you guys have used previous versions of Windows, such such as the desktop backgrounds. Okay, this is so desktop backgrounds, the desktop shortcuts. Okay, here's my recycle bin, which is a shortcut. We have the taskbar all the way at the bottom, and then on the right hand side, in this case in Windows 8, we have the touch keyboard. When we click on it, there's my keyboard. Now, if you guys have a touch screen, so you guys could use this keyboard to type into Windows or any application or any apps. Okay, um, included into the desktop, I mean the taskbar. See, to the right hand side we have the show and hidden icons, different notifications that are gonna be hidden. In this case, we also have the battery status, my wireless connection. Okay, and as you guys can see, you just open the same way that we open it up this on the Windows mode. To close that window, we just click into the desktop and it closes. In this particular computer, see, I also have the speakers. Okay. Now, most of the time, when you guys bring your pointer into one of these items, see, a little screen tip is just gonna pop up, basically telling you the status of what the icon is for. Okay. Right next to that, we have the date, and then see, we have a very popular icon, which was the show desktop. Okay. Then icons right here on the left hand side. See, these icons are gonna be there by default on Windows 8 desktop mode. We're gonna have the Internet Explorer, okay, Windows Explorer. In this case, depending on your computer manufacturer, see, your computer manufacturer sometimes they're gonna be adding some other apps. In this case, see, they added an Amazon shortcut right here into my text bar, and they also included, see, another application for photos, another application for media, and another one for the cloud. Okay, the cloud is becoming very popular now. Every single company, see, are working or have their own clouds. Cloud is just mean a space down online where we can save and share data. Okay, for example, they also pin another, see, shortcut to eBay. And in this case, right now, see, this is the application that I'm running to record this video. Okay, and the famous star. Okay, we don't see it anymore, but when we bring the pointer to this lower corner, see, the star is going to show. One click, and we are right into the Windows mode, start. And when I go back to the desktop, see, I'm back into the desktop mode. Okay, anytime that you guys want to create a shortcut here, okay, let's go here and create one small shortcut. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna need to come back to my start menu into the Windows mode. Okay, now from here I'm gonna be doing this time this with the cursor. Okay, I'm gonna bring my cursor to the top right corner. I'm gonna go down and then I'm gonna click on search. When I click on search, my apps are gonna open up. Remember, this is not all the apps that are available. You guys look into the, see at the bottom of my screen, see we had a big gap right here at the bottom, so that means that And I could drag this the scroll bar to the right hand side, and other applications are gonna be showing. Basically, all my applications are gonna be showing. Instead of having see a list of different applications and folders under the start menu. See, now all the applications are gonna show, see, horizontal. So we could scroll to the right, to the left, etc. Okay. Now right here, see, let's say that I wanna open up Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, but remember, I don't just want to open that up. I wanna create a shortcut to my desktop window. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, see, I have to right click into the Microsoft Word icon. When I do that, I'm gonna have this little check mark. And at the same time, see, the toolbar is gonna open up and it's gonna give me quite a few options. See, I can unpin this program from the start, or I could also pin this to my taskbar on the desktop mode. I could also uninstall this application, open a new window, run as an administrator, or open file location. Okay, so all I want to do here is pin this to my taskbar. So one click here, and that's it. The toolbar is gonna close. Now from here, how I'm gonna exit? If I right click, the toolbar is gonna open up, but all I have is just this option, all apps. But I wanna exit from here. So I'm gonna click on my Windows logo key, and to verify that I have my shortcut created it into my desktop mode, I'm gonna go back to the desktop, and here's my new icon into the taskbar. So I just pin that program into my taskbar. Okay. When I click, you guys already know, one click is just gonna open that application. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and close this up. Back to File, exit. Now, if you guys right click into this icon, see, you guys are gonna have the recent, okay, the recent files that you guys have been working on. So that's an easy way to access your recent files. Okay, that's gonna be my recent files. Right here, the list is just gonna get, probably the up to 10. Yeah, it's just gonna be up to 10 different, the last 10 documents that you guys have been working. Okay, and if I want to open a new blank Word document, just click on Microsoft Word, and I can also unpin this program from the text bar. Okay, in another video, we are gonna see how to create a shortcut and bring it right here into the desktop. Okay, how to add shortcuts right here into the desktop. Okay, right now we just pin that one into the text bar. Okay, so that's just a little overview of the desktop. Remember, we have shortcuts. We have the big screen, which is for desktop. We have the text bar that is running from side to side. And under the text bar here to the left hand side, we have the quick access bar, okay, with different icons. We can also pin other programs. And then on the right hand side, see, we have the keyboard, notification, showing high icons, notifications, my battery status, my network wireless connection in this case, speakers, time, and date. Okay, so that's an overview of the desktop. Thank you. And